Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic. AI tutors versus human teachers.
That's right, artificial intelligence is changing education fast, but can it really replace human teachers?
Good question. We'll explore how AI tutors work, their advantages, and what makes human teachers irreplaceable.
Let's find out how both can shape the future of learning.
So Alex, have you ever used an AI tutor before?
Yes, I've tried one for learning Spanish. It was pretty impressive.
Really? How did it work?
It gave me vocabulary quizzes, corrected my pronunciation, and tracked my progress.
Wow, that sounds helpful.
It was. The feedback was instant, which made learning faster.
I love that about AI. It's available anytime.
Exactly. No waiting for office hours or scheduling classes.
But can AI truly understand students' emotions?
Not like humans. It can detect frustration from data, but not feel empathy.
That's a big difference. Human teachers motivate through understanding.
Yes, emotional connection matters in education.
AI tutors are great for practice though.
True, they're patient, consistent, and never get tired.
Unlike human teachers after a long day.
Exactly, AI doesn't complain or need coffee breaks.
Do you think AI tutors will replace teachers someday?
I don't think so. They'll complement teachers, not replace them.
I agree. Learning isn't just information. It's about guidance and inspiration.
That's right, human teachers provide mentorship that AI can't.
But AI can make lessons more personalized.
Yes, it analyzes learning speed and tailors lessons for each student.
That's amazing. Teachers can't always give that much attention.
Exactly, AI helps manage large classrooms efficiently.
Do you think students learn better with technology?
Depends on how it's used. Tech can boost learning or distract from it.
True. I've seen students focus more when lessons are interactive.
Gamified AI lessons keep them motivated.
What do you think about feedback from AI tutors?
It's instant and data-driven. Students can see progress immediately.
That's something human teachers can't always provide quickly.
Right, AI can handle large amounts of grading too.
But feedback from a human feels more encouraging.
I agree. A teacher's words can inspire confidence.
Do you think AI tutors understand creativity?
Not really. They're great at structure, not imagination.
So creative subjects still need humans.
Definitely art, literature, and ethics require human insight.
I wonder if students will trust AI feedback as much as human feedback.
That's a good question. Trust takes time and empathy.
Exactly. AI can't build relationships the same way teachers do.
But it can still support learning in powerful ways.
Like how?
By giving students practice, quizzes, and adaptive exercises anytime.
That's great for self-learners.
Yes, AI tutors make education more accessible worldwide.
Especially for students who can't afford private teachers.
Exactly, technology can reduce inequality.
But we must also ensure equal access to technology.
True, not everyone has a computer or internet.
That's a global challenge.
Yes, digital education must include everyone.
What's one thing AI tutors do better than humans?
Repetition. They can explain the same thing 100 times without frustration.
That's a real advantage.
Yes, perfect for practice-based learning like math or grammar.
What about emotional support?
That's where humans win every time.
Teachers sense when a student feels discouraged.
Yes, empathy can't be programmed easily.
Do you think AI could ever feel empathy?
It can simulate empathy through words, but not experience it.
That's a big limitation.
True, learning is both intellectual and emotional.
What about accuracy?
AI tutors are precise. They rarely make factual mistakes.
That's reassuring. Sometimes teachers have outdated info.
Exactly, AI updates instantly from new data.
But too much reliance on AI could make students lazy.
Yes, they might stop thinking critically.
Teachers encourage critical thinking through discussion.
Exactly, humans challenge ideas, not just deliver answers.
Do you think AI tutors can adapt to emotions someday?
Maybe partially, through voice tone and facial recognition.
That would make learning more personal.
Yes, but still not as deep as human interaction.
Do you think students prefer AI tutors?
Some do. They feel less judged asking stupid questions.
That's interesting. AI creates a safe, judgment-free space.
Exactly, students can learn at their own pace.
But others might find it too robotic.
True, human warmth is irreplaceable.
What about availability?
AI wins their -20 for 7th learning. No holidays or weekends.
That's perfect for night owls and fast learners.
Yes, total flexibility.
Do you think AI tutors can motivate students?
Only to a point. Motivation needs emotion and inspiration.
Teachers can share stories and personal experiences.
Yes, that human element makes lessons memorable.
What about cost?
AI tutoring is much cheaper long-term.
That's a big advantage for developing countries.
Yes, education becomes more affordable and scalable.
Do you think teachers will start using AI tools in class?
They already are. Many schools use AI-assisted grading or lesson planning.
That's great technology supporting teachers.
Exactly, teamwork between human and machine.
I think the best education combines both.
Totally agree, balance is key.
Do you think AI tutors can detect cheating?
Yes, some systems monitor behavior during tests.
That's helpful, but also a bit scary.
True, privacy must be respected.
How do teachers feel about AI entering classrooms?
Mixed feelings, some are excited, others worried.
I can see why. It's both opportunity and competition.
Yes, but collaboration is the future.
Teachers who adapt will thrive.
Absolutely, technology can make their work easier.
What about grading essays? Can AI do that well?
It's improving. AI checks grammar and structure quickly.
But can it judge creativity or emotion?
Not yet. Human feedback still matters there.
I think teachers bring a personal touch to learning.
Definitely. They inspire dreams, not just deliver facts.
That's beautiful, Alex.
Thanks. I truly believe teachers change lives.
AI tutors can change systems, but humans change hearts.
Wow, that's perfectly said.
Do you think AI tutors will make education more equal?
Yes, if access improves, everyone can learn from the same sources.
So even rural areas can access quality education.
Exactly, distance no longer matters.
That's a real revolution.
Yes, learning without borders.
But we must train students to use AI responsibly.
True, ethics in AI education is essential.
What about AI teaching languages?
It's excellent. Real-time pronunciation and feedback.
Yes, it feels like talking to a native speaker.
And it's patient, perfect for shy learners.
That's a big confidence boost.
Exactly, no fear of judgment.
Do you think human teachers should fear losing jobs?
Not if they evolve, new roles will appear.
Like tech mentors or learning designers?
Yes, guiding how AI is used in classrooms.
That's exciting. Teachers become innovators too.
Absolutely, they'll lead education's transformation.
Do you think students learn faster with AI?
In some cases, yes, adaptive pacing helps a lot.
But they might miss social learning.
Exactly, teamwork builds important life skills.
Human teachers create that community feeling.
Yes, learning together is powerful.
Do you think AI tutors can adapt to different cultures?
Yes, multilingual systems already exist.
That helps make global education inclusive.
Definitely, learning without language barriers.
How about emotional AI?
It's still developing, but it may recognize moods someday.
Then it could adjust lessons based on emotions.
Yes, personalized learning on a deeper level.
But still not the same as a teacher's intuition.
Exactly, intuition is purely human.
Do you think kids will like AI tutors?
Yes, especially if they're interactive and fun.
Like having a friendly robot teacher?
Ha, yes, a teacher who never loses patience.
What about feedback on writing and essays?
AI can check grammar, but humans understand emotion.
So both should work together.
Exactly, teamwork between AI and teacher gives the best results.
I like that idea. Collaboration, not competition.
Perfectly said.
What do parents think of AI tutors?
Many appreciate the convenience, but still prefer human teachers.
I can understand that. Trust takes time.
Yes, education is personal and emotional.
Do you think AI tutors can adapt to special needs students?
Yes, they can adjust lessons for learning disabilities.
That's wonderful, truly inclusive education.
Yes, technology helps every learner shine.
What's your ideal classroom of the future?
A mix of AI tools and human mentors working together.
That's the perfect balance.
Yes, efficient and compassionate.
Do you think students will ever prefer AI completely?
Maybe for practice, but not for life lessons.
Yes, life lessons come from real people.
Exactly, wisdom, not just knowledge.
What's one thing AI tutors should learn from humans?
Empathy and flexibility.
And what should humans learn from AI tutors?
Consistency and patience.
Perfect exchange of strengths.
Yes, harmony between logic and emotion.
How can schools prepare for this future?
By training teachers and integrating tech gradually.
So technology enhances, not overwhelms.
Exactly, controlled innovation.
Do you think AI will help reduce teacher burnout?
Yes, automating repetitive tasks saves time and energy.
Then teachers can focus on creativity and mentorship.
Precisely, the human side of teaching.
That's a win-win situation.
Totally.
So the future of education isn't AI or humans, it's both.
Exactly, collaboration, not competition.
I love that idea.
Me too, harmony between mind and machine.
Technology should serve humanity, not replace it.
Well said, Mia.
I think AI will free teachers to do what they do best, inspire.
Perfectly put.
Students will get the best of both worlds.
Exactly, efficiency and empathy together.
Education will become smarter and more human at the same time.
That's the future I want to see.
So what's your conclusion? AI or human teachers?
Both. AI teaches skills, humans teach values.
That's a beautiful summary.
Thanks, it's all about balance.
Do you think AI can ever replace human connection?
Never. Connection is the heart of teaching.
I completely agree. Technology can't hug, smile, or inspire hope.
Exactly, teachers make learning emotional and meaningful.
But AI can make learning easier and faster.
Yes, together they make a powerful team.
The best education will combine technology and heart.
That's the key to a better future.
I can't wait to see classrooms 20 years from now.
Me too, full of creativity, innovation, and care.
Maybe even holographic teachers.
Ha ha, who knows, anything's possible.
As long as there's still kindness in learning.
Always, kindness never goes out of style.
I think teachers will always have a special place.
100%, machines can't replace the human spirit.
So the future isn't about choosing sides. It's about collaboration.
Exactly, humans and AI learning together.
That's inspiring, Alex.
Thanks, Mia. This was a great discussion.
Thank you all for joining us today.
Yes, tell us what you think, AI tutors or human teachers.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more conversations like this.
And keep learning with technology, teachers, or both.
See you next time, where learning meets the future.
Bye everyone. Stay curious and inspired.